Before the competitions every year, there is a lot of work, teamwork, planning, decision-making, tests, and reevaluations made on our robot in order for us to compete. Hi, I'm Otto Borden, and this is Beam 19565's 2025-2026 FTC robot. In this video, I'll be showing you our robot's innovations and talking about the importance of teamwork. Our robot uses a rubber band roller surrounded by a 3D printed plow to help intake artifacts from the field. From there, the artifacts get sent to the second rubber band roller, which allows us to hold 3 artifacts in total. The first unique aspect of our robot is our linear intake and launch system. Where many robots feature a system where they intake from one side and launch from the top or another side of the robot, ours is linear. This limits the amount of times we have to turn on the field, allowing us to pick up balls and shoot them faster without turning around so much. Another unique aspect of our robot is our overall size. Whereas many teams this season have decided to maximize the overall size of their robots in order to hold all 3 artifacts, our robot has been able to remain compact. Still being able to hold all 3 balls in a linear fashion, our robot is able to stay smaller in the base. Utilizing linear actuators, we've been able to make a kickstand, which has allowed us to score 2-person parking. On our team, teamwork is crucial. From the start of the season, we begin as a team. We start with the decision matrix, where we, the team as a whole, decide what parts of the game we want to focus on in our design. We order and rank all aspects of the new game, putting forward ideas on things like artifact sorting methods, endgame strategy, scoring methods and end effector ideas, and controls. From there, we vote. This gives our team a chance to convince and discuss with each other what we want the robot to look and operate like. In the end, everyone is satisfied, as there is usually always some idea of your own featured on the robot. This collaboration from the start is crucial for our robot to be competitive. It ensures we get the best version of ourselves we can produce. From there, we break up into our work groups to design, build, and test our robot. However, the teamwork is just getting started. Breaking up into different work groups allows us to build a robot quickly and efficiently. But an effective team builds a robot made up of different projects, rather than different projects formed into a robot. To do this, our groups work closely together. Our coding team tests code throughout the process, right alongside our drive team. They work closely together and make tweaks as needed, bouncing ideas and feedback off each other. This communication is critical between groups to solve problems. It allowed us to achieve high precision on our auto-aim system, allowing us to quickly score goals from the far firing zone. While our mechanical team works on the drivetrain, our CAD group models our 3D printed pieces as well as make and maintain a model of our robot in CAD. These groups also work together in tandem, bringing our ideas to life from our decision matrix and turning them into real working parts. The mechanical team is able to get precise information and spacing requirements from the CAD group, and together they troubleshoot and perfect our robot's capabilities. The mechanical team also worked with our programmers to solve the issue of intake for our autonomous period. By changing our intake system from rubber paddles to rubber banded wheels, we were able to pick up artifacts more smoothly and autonomous. As team captain and driver, I've ensured my teammates maintain a lot of communication during the build season. In doing so, we're able to ensure all aspects of the robot work together properly and make us a prepared and competitive team. In the end, it may seem like building the robot was easy, especially based on a team's performance, but without team communication, it would be nearly impossible. All these are just several of the examples from this season on team collaboration. Without communication and teamwork, many teams would look very different at a competition. I'm Otto Borden, and thank you for watching.